One of the best pre-pools I have ever made for my hair. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Lydia. If you are new to the channel, please do well to subscribe. Today we are doing aloe vera pre-pool. In my previous video, I showed you how I make aloe vera gel from scratch, and in this video I'm using it on my hair. So I'll tag the video in the description, or you can also click on it in the app there. So with this gel today, I added a bit of lemon juice and just a little bit of ginger juice, just to give my scalp a little bit of healing. I make sure I spray my hair a bit before I apply the gel onto it, and I also make sure that my my ends get enough of the gel, because my ends is the oldest part of the hair and I don't like to leave it like that. I usually detangle my hair with my fingers. If you watch my videos, you hardly see me using a comb on my hair. So I usually detangle, and I really couldn't stop touching my hair. Like, aloe vera gel is magic. Doing this before you shampoo your hair will give you some results that you never forget. So why am I pre-pooing my hair before washing? I've washed my hair before pre-pooing, and I've washed my hair without pre-pooing, and there's a big difference. Like, I won't even lie to you, your hair feels different when you pre-poo before you wash. It's like, can you see how bouncy my hair is feeling? Like, you really feel the health of your hair. And imagine doing this and later going into the shower to shampoo your hair. It really makes your hair, like, it gets the whole feel, it gets the whole package of it. So I can never wash my hair without pre-poo, unless, let's say, I'm in a rush or I'm in a hurry or something. But generally, when I plan my wash day, I make sure I add pre-poo to my wash day so that I'll be able to have a complete wash day. I also focus on my scalp because aloe vera is also very good for dry scalp. If you have a very dry scalp, aloe vera is able to moisturize your scalp very, very well. And you can tell that I'm always massaging my scalp. Like, you cannot do without massaging your scalp. If you massage your scalp, you are going to ensure blood flow on the scalp. So massaging the scalp, focusing on the scalp and focusing on your edges is a key takeaway in this video. So why am I using aloe vera gel in this video? Sometimes I use aloe vera and olive oil, but this time I use only aloe vera, and I'm sticking to this because the way my hair felt is I can't really explain how my hair felt. My hair felt very, very good. You can use either only olive oil or only aloe vera, or a mixture of both. I've used both of them on my hair, and then so I can analyze which one is best. I think I'll go in for only aloe vera because it doesn't really become a lot of mess when you're done. It also makes your hair very bouncy and very healthy. It doesn't also require so much time, like cleaning the oil and the rest. So I'll stick to just aloe vera in my subsequent pre-poos. So when you are done applying this on your scalp, you make sure you give yourself a good massage and wear your steamer cap. So what you see me, I thought I was recording, but my camera just stopped recording. I wore my steamer cap for 15 minutes, gave myself a good massage, and then shampoo the hair as you see. So once you are done with the shampoo, you follow up with your deep conditioner. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye.